What this program does is it allows for mom and pop investors to build smaller apartment complexes. So think like townhouses, 3 to 6 story apartment buildings, and so on. If you drive in any city in Canada and see an apartment building from like the late 1970s, and once you start to look for them, you'll see them all over the place. Chances are they were built through this program. Now, typically, it wasn't like a single investor who would build these things, but it'd be like a consortium would get together. So you get a bunch of like well off doctors, dentists, lawyers, and so on who would pool a bunch of money together and build one of these buildings. But what the provision does is it allows investors who build one of these rental buildings to write off expenses related to operating these buildings on their personal income tax. Now, they still have to pay capital gains when they sell the building. So, expensing these costs doesn't really so much reduce their taxes, but kind of postpone them. But since a dollar today is worth a lot more than a dollar 5, 10, 15 years from now, postponing those taxes is really valuable. So, what it did is it created a big incentive to invest in small scale apartment construction.